Welcome to our lesson in making sense of the AdSense auction. This lesson will teach you more about your role as a publisher in the advertising ecosystem and what goes on behind the scenes of the AdSense auction. In addition to you, there are two other players who are key to your success: the advertiser and the user. Let's walk through an example to illustrate the importance of these three roles. Imagine you're a user browsing the internet for chocolate chip cookie recipes. What are you looking for in a site? Users prefer sites that are easy to navigate, engaging content, relevant ads that would not be mistaken for content. Okay, now let's think about this scenario from an advertiser's perspective. If you were a snack food advertiser, what would you be looking for? Advertisers prefer great content to accurately target ads, content-rich sites that are good for your brand, a clean user experience so users can clearly see the ad, real interest, users only clicking on or engaging with ads when they mean to. So let's say you keep browsing as a user and you still don't find the kind of recipe site you're looking for, so you decide to build one. From your perspective as the publisher now, what do you want from advertisers and users? Publishers prefer engaged users who are excited to use your site and return in the future. Clean traffic that only engages with ads purposefully. Quality ads that are relevant and clear for your users. There are dozens of other ideas we could add to these lists. Every publisher, advertiser, and user is different. The bottom line is, in order for the ecosystem to stay healthy, the players need to work together. Now that you know who's involved, how does the auction actually work? How do advertisers get their ads on your page and in front of the right users? As an AdSense publisher, your site is part of the Google Display Network, or GDN. The GDN is a collection of millions of websites that partner with Google to show ads. AdWords advertisers who choose to advertise on the GDN bid on the ad spaces through an auction process. There are two bidding options. Advertisers who want to drive an action, such as purchasing a product or signing up for a newsletter, will be looking for users to click on their ads. They will most likely bid by cost per click, or CPC. Advertisers who want to increase brand awareness focus on impression bidding. These advertisers use cost per thousand impressions, or CPM bidding, to put themselves in front of users. Whether an advertiser chooses to advertise on a CPM or CPC basis depends on the ultimate goal of their campaign. It's a common misconception that all display ads are paid on a CPM basis and that all text ads are paid on a CPC basis. The truth is that both text and display ads can be paid on either a CPC or CPM basis. Advertisers can choose which type of ad they'd like to create, for example, CPM versus CPC or text versus display. Now that we've covered the bidding options, let's move on to the auction process. The AdSense auction allows advertisers to state the maximum price they're willing to pay for an ad to display. Unlike a traditional auction, the AdSense auction is a second price auction. This means that the highest bidder wins the ad position, but pays a penny more than the price of the second highest bidder. The auction is designed this way to encourage advertisers to bid their true maximum value and discourage them from bidding lower than their true value. For all the details of how the auction works, check out the additional resources section.